Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. The sun's a little bright. Probably shouldn't step out there. Today we are going to a local show. It's actually the Royse City Car Show, or Main Street Car Show, or whatever they call it. It's like 5 minutes away from my house. Hank is coming. Everybody loves Hank. And yeah, it got postponed or canceled last year or whatever because of COVID. And the year before that, it got rained out and then got postponed until a later date, and then it rained on the later date. So today we've got fairly clear skies, a little bit of clouds there, but that should burn off. It should be pretty nice. It'll be a little windy. I was gonna bring the pop-up, but yeah, I don't want to blow away. So we're bringing the chair. This is an awesome chair. I forget what this is called. Renetto. This is a Renetto chair. See how it's got this frame around it? That's because that's actually the top for it. So it's a chair that has its own little convertible top. I'm bringing that. Sorry, Hank. I told you I'd bring the pop-up, but we're not doing it. I'm bringing the chair. We'll swap. You know, it's fine. So anyways, I'm gonna get in this thing. Get over there. We're meeting at 8 for an all-day show. The show doesn't end until 3, so it's gonna be a long day. Kind of hot, but maybe the wind will help cool us off anyways. Gonna need some sunscreen. So yeah, we're gonna head on over there and I'll see you guys in a second. Just waiting on Hank. I mean, I'm a little early. We're supposed to meet at 8 and it's 7:45, but come on, Hank. He is, boys and girls, the Hank, the man, the legend. So not like young place. What's up? So I bought all these tickets earlier, $20 worth of tickets, and the first number called is me winning a $25 gift card to Main Street Emporium. What do you think about that, Hank? $20 tickets, I won a $25 gift card, first number pulled.
You ignorant.
Killing it. And guess what I wanted for dessert after our meal at lunchtime? Ice cream from Main Street Emporium, right there on the corner.
It's not registered. You just win a gift card for that?
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
I told you, if you're not a Royse City resident, you can't win anything.
That's the only thing you're gonna win today, bro.
Okay, y'all aren't gonna believe this. The second thing that I've won today is a $50 gift card donated by Lone Star Timeshare Transfer, Visa gift card. 50 bucks cash, Hank. What do you think about this? So I spent $20 in tickets and I've won $75 in prizes.
Are you serious?
How do you feel about your chances of winning anything today, Hank?
I admit, I'm beginning to be curious about how this is going to outcome.
I think it's that extra $1 I gave the alumni waitress. She's in there just putting my tickets in the winning pile or something. So
Yo, kid. Hey, kid.
they're not even listening to you. You know why? Because you're not a winner, Hank. The family came up and wanted to sit in them, so they're the only ones that sat in these today. And of course, Hank got the perfect picture. So. didn't win anything. We're in the motorcycle class because that's where they want us to be. Because you know, yeah, they're registered as motorcycles, sure. We were up against some Harleys and a Schwinn motorcycle. It won first prize against our very unique Vanderhalls. So they're not that unique because the Schwinn took home first place. But we had a great time. I won a couple raffles, as you saw in the video, and you know, that was cool. That paid my whole entry and everything. So I mean, I can't complain. More than I won last year, or the last year that I went to it, because last year we didn't do it because of COVID, blah blah blah. Anyways, yeah, thank you, Hank, for coming along. That was fun. Between the two of us, off camera most of the time, or all the time really, we had our little own car show going between the two of us for top prize, and Hank thinks he won by, what'd he say, a whisker. I don't know that he won. So next time we're at some show like this, we'll bring in a little whiteboard or something, and we're gonna set it up and we're gonna make our little tally marks to see who really won, fair and square. Because I don't know, I think it went, we were pretty evenly matched. They like the craziness look and the whatever old school vibe of this, but then they like the classy look of Hank's. And you know, okay, Hank's is pretty good looking, I have to give it to him. But I think more people are gonna vote for the Texas Oatmeal Vanderhall. So we'll see. Next time we go, we're gonna actually figure it out, and we're gonna put it to the test, or put it to a vote, and see who really wins. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Just a quick video, a little car show that we went to here in Royse City, my hometown, and that's it for today. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change.